Hello, Maggie, and the rest of the Penn Roofing team. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke to Maggie and I told her that I would send over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your website really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitors' websites after that. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use yourselves today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on the Penn Roofing homepage. And so right away I can see that you definitely spent some time and or some money into this. The site looks really nice, very professional. However, scrolling through here, I'm not seeing a lot of content. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did do a word counter search and you currently have 307 words, so I would suggest adding in some more content here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. In addition to having enough content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A great example of a keyword right here is roofing Augusta GA. This keyword brings in 320 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. Beneath the search bar, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads can be a really great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, particularly while you're trying to take advantage of a hot market or you want to promote a special event going on. There are also a great fast leads options for when you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. Beneath the ads, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important and can produce huge amounts of revenue. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, those are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. You want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are right here. Be careful when you're entering your information onto these directories that the information you're entering looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation by Google. So now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. In addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. For example, if a local flooring company were to give you a backlink from their powerful site, that would be a really great way to bring more power to yours. And so right here, we can see the first company page that pops up for this keyword is Lovelace Roofing. Over here, I've hopped onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little bit pricey. It costs me a couple $100s a month to use, but it gives me a lot of good information. So here I typed in Lovelace Roofing, and I can see that they have 1,100 backlinks from 54 different domains, and they are ranking organically for a total of 87 keywords. Here we can click to take a closer look at those keywords. You want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. Here, it will list all the different keywords they're ranking for, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, how much traffic it brings them, and then how many people search for that keyword every single month. You can go through, find the ones that apply to what you do, and incorporate the best ones into your content. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the same thing that I just did with the keywords to their backlinks. And so it's saying they have 1,100 backlinks. You don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks. You want to beat them out with the quality as well. You can go through and see which ones have a high AS authority score. You can click on the best ones and see if you can add your website to these different pages. You can go through these backlinks. You can go through other competitors' backlinks and then find some on your own as well. Over here, I have typed in your website into SEMrush as well. Right now, it says you guys have 840 backlinks from 134 different domains, and you are ranking organically for 97 keywords. So let's take a closer look and see which keywords those are. So here I can see that you're ranking on the top of the page for your own home name, which of course makes sense. For the rest of the keywords, you're ranking anywhere from the bottom of the first page down to around the 10th page, mainly around like the 3rd to the 5th page. I think you could get rise in the ranks for the right keywords though if you incorporate the 3 things I spoke about in this video into your online marketing plan, which to recap. Number 1, you want more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, you want more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And number 3, you want more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so to go back to your domain overview, so right now it's saying that you have 840 backlinks, so you're not very far behind them. But I would also suggest going through these backlinks just to make sure that you are only getting high-powered relevant backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal, and some can actually hurt your domain authority rather than help it. And so over here, back to this competitor, it's telling me that they have 300 people find them every month organically. Now, this number can be a lot higher, but let's just say that it is 300 people. If they were to close 25% of those searches into customers, that'd be 75 new customers per month. Multiply that by the average cost of a roof job at around $6,000, and they're at $450,000 per month. And factor in a 20% gross profit margin, and that is $90,000 per month. So that gives you a pretty good idea of how lucrative having a powerful site ranking for the right keywords can be. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.